Good morning, dear children. Good morning, everyone. Welcome to our online classes. From today, we are going to start our English chapters. We have revised and covered capital alphabets, small alphabets, Hindi Akshar Varnmala, countings from 1 to 100 and sight words also. Right? And now we are done with the basics, and from today we are going to start reading the chapters. Now you all know the phonic sounds. Okay, I shared the videos of phonic sounds with you. So I am expecting that you all are already prepared with the phonic sounds and sight word also. So let's start the reading of our first chapter. This is your chapter number 1 from English notebook, right? So let's start reading. And there are so many sight words in this chapter also, okay? So you have to recognize the sight words as soon as you see them. जैसे ही आपको कोई sight word दिखता है, you must be able to read the sight word, okay? And use your phonic sounds for reading any word. So let's start. Is this a sight word? Yes. But let's read it with phonic sounds also. What is the sound for G? G, 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 G. G. What is the sound of E? E, E. G, E. And what is the sound of T? T, T, T. So, G, E, T, G, E, T, G, E, T, get. G, E, T, get. What is the sound of U? A. And what is the sound of T? Up. Okay. So in this way, we are going to use our phonic sounds. Then we will be able to read the chapter easily. So for reading and writing, you must have to learn and you should aware with the phonic sounds. अगर आपने because of any reason you have still not aware with the phonic sounds, आपने अभी तक videos नहीं देखे, then please go to our YouTube channel and learn all the phonic sounds from A to Z. It will make your reading and writing concepts clear. Okay? So let's start. You have to repeat after me. Okay? Put your pencil here in your book. Open the English book. Open the chapter number 1 and put your pencil or finger here. Get up, get up. Get up, get up. What is this? Get up, get up. Now read this word. Yes. Use your phonic sounds. Early. This is a sight word. I told you before. in. The. In the. Early in the. Early in the. Now here, sound of M is Sound of O is O. So first, अगर कोई बड़ी spelling है, see this is a big spelling. It is difficult for class 4 students to read it. So divide it in 2 parts. You can divide it in 2 parts. Morn. Okay. E. Sound of I is E. Sound of N is and sound of G is G. Ing. Morning. So in this way, use your phonic sounds and read the words. Get up early in the morning. Repeat after me. Get up early in the morning. This is a sight word. I told you this word. Go. G-O, go. This is also a sight word. F-O-R, for. Go for a. This is also a sight word. Now you can see, okay, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 lines. And in a single line, we have 2 to 3 sight words. So it is very essential and important for us to learn the sight words first, okay? Because they are helpful and they are compulsory for us. Get up early in the morning. Go for a walk. See, W-A-L-K, walk. Walk. Go for a walk. Now again, early in the morning. Same line is repeating here. Early in the morning. Now, salute. 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 Okay. Salute everyone. This is also a sight word. Everyone. Now, here salute means to wish. Salute means to wish. Morning में हम क्या करते हैं? We should wish our elders and to all. We should greet them good morning or namaste. Okay. So here salute means to greet, to wish. Salute everyone. Good morning. Okay. Get up early in the morning. Go for a walk. Go for an exercise. We should do some exercise in the morning. Okay. And we should wish our elders and to everyone good morning. Good morning. This is a sight word. T-O, to. This is also a sight word. Have. To have a. Which word is this? Happy. H-A-P-E. Happy. Happy day. To have a happy day. Be ever guide. This is a sight word. B-E-B. Now what is it? Ever. Ever. Okay. Guide. Be ever guide. So we should always be ready. So let's start from first line. What is the meaning of get up early in the morning? It means we should get up. We should get up early in the morning. जल्दी उठना चाहिए. Go for a walk early in the morning means we should go for a walk or we have to do some exercise or yoga, something exercise in the morning. सुबह सुबह उठ के some exercise भी हमें करनी चाहिए. Walk पे हम जा सकते हैं. Now salute everyone. Good morning. It means we should wish or greet everyone good morning in the morning. Now, to have a happy day, be ever guide. If you want to spend your day well, if you want to spend your day happy, then you should be ready for everything. Okay? Get up early in the morning, take a bath early in the morning, be ready for everything. Okay? Do your lunch on time, do your studies on time, be ready for your online classes on time. Okay, so for spending a day happy, you have to do all work on time and you should wake up early in the morning and go to bed also early. सुबह जल्दी उठना चाहिए और जल्दी सोना चाहिए. So this is our first lesson of English chapter. Now I am going to ask you some questions from our English chapter and you have to answer me in yes or no. Okay? Ready? Shall we start? Let's start. You have to say yes or no. Do you get up early in the morning? क्या हमें सुबह जल्दी उठना चाहिए? Yes, we should get up early in the morning. Second question. Do you exercise daily in the morning? Yes or no? Yes, we should exercise daily. Do you go for a walk? Don't tell me a lie, okay? Tell me the truth. Do you go for a walk? Yes or no? Yes? Then very good. You should go for a walk. Are you happy? I'm so happy. Are you happy? Yes, we should always be happy. Don't be sad. Very good. Now tell me, when do you get up? I will tell you about me. I will get up early in the morning at 6 a.m. Morning 6 a.m. आपको अपना टाइम बताना है. Okay? In second question, who wakes up you in the morning? आपको कौन उठाता है? Who wakes you up? Mother, right? और father, मम्मी या पापा? How do you feel in the morning? How do you feel? I feel very fresh in the morning. Okay? So these are some questions from chapter 1. Read the chapter 1. Okay? Watch this video. Read your chapter 1 3 or 4 times. You have to read the chapter 3 or 4 times. It is compulsory. Okay? Thank you so much.